Today we're reviewing this cheap third brake light for 94 to 98 Silverados and GMC Sierras, and I'm going to tell you right now, I already don't like it. I didn't like it when I ordered it because nobody makes a OEM style cargo light or one that looks similar for less than $100 at least. There is a $115 one, but I'm not going to spend that kind of money. This was $25, but it has the Hotboi stars here where the lights are, where the red is. I really don't like that. What am I going to do? Go chug a Monster and put wheels that stick out on my truck and then stick lights in the wheels like a jacket? No. So I already don't like it, but I don't really have a choice. And so we're going to get going. We're going to install it and review it. It's just kind of already my reviews that I hate it, but here we go. Interjection, Amazon actually does offer one that looks better. It's not star pattern, and I couldn't find this before I ordered the star pattern one, so now I might just buy this one. I will link both of these in the description below. It's fairly simple to remove the old light. All I needed was a screwdriver, and then these two screws come out real quick. The lens was a little crusty and disgusting inside, so it took some convincing to take it off. And then we see that all the bulbs and everything are disgusting. This cargo light really didn't work. The one on the right did, but it barely shone at all. And these bulbs are really small, so that's kind of understandable. After you get that off, there's two additional screws here, and we just unscrew those. You can see there's a little clip down here, so be sure to take that off. Didn't think to buy a new seal, so it's gross, but we're going to use it again. Stuff that in there. And I will definitely be ordering a new seal, and then I'll take it off and do this proper. But we need to see what this looks like. And that should be all there is to it, so let's see how this light performs. First up is the third brake light. And yeah, sure enough, with a brake light like this, it looks like my name should be Kyle. Next up is the cargo lamps. Now, they look better already, but I think we need to wait until nighttime and give them a proper test, so we'll do that. And I guess after all this, the obvious question is, should you buy this thing? I would say so, yeah, it's fine. For 25 bucks, 22 bucks, whatever, if you get the normal looking one. I do like the ease of installation. I really wish that I had picked up a foam like seal for it, or that they would include that with the light. That would be nice. The pigtail hooked up, no problem. The bolt holes were spaced perfectly far apart. I was really concerned about that fitment. That was good. I don't care for the smoked look of it as well. Like, if I would be more willing to forgive the star pattern if the whole lens was red, but I understand why they had to do it. It cut costs and so on and so forth, so whatever. I'm willing to forgive that because I didn't have to spend $100+. The cargo lamps were in fact brighter. The bed is actually usable at night with these lights on. Like, I can actually see what I'm doing, so that's a big plus over the originals. The originals are like basically dash bulbs, so they were never going to be that bright to begin with. So that's about all I got for you. I hope that I was able to inform you about this product. As usual, you be good while I'm gone, and I will see you next time. Have a good week.